Chapter 69, Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, DAOs, in Action. This chapter explores the practical implementation and the benefits of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, within the DenariiDFi ecosystem. DAO governance structures, designing and implementing DAO governance structures that enable community members to collectively make decisions regarding ecosystem upgrades, fund allocation, and strategic directions. DAO treasury management, establishing transparent and efficient treasury management within DAOs, ensuring responsible use of funds and alignment with the community's interests. Community proposals and voting, facilitating the submission of community proposals and their subsequent voting through DAO mechanisms, fostering a decentralized and inclusive decision-making process. Incentive mechanisms for DAO participants, designing incentive structures to encourage active participation in DAO activities, ensuring a vibrant and engaged community. DAOs and ecosystem growth, showcasing real-world examples of how DAOs contribute to the growth and sustainability of the DenariiDFi ecosystem, emphasizing their role in fostering community-driven innovation. Chapter 70, Quantum-Resistant Smart Contracts. This chapter focuses on the development of smart contracts resistant to quantum attacks within the DenariiDFi ecosystem. Quantum-secure programming languages, exploring and adopting programming languages that support quantum-resistant cryptography, ensuring the resilience of smart contract code against quantum threats. Security audits for quantum-resistant contracts, conducting thorough security audits for smart contracts, with a specific focus on their resistance to quantum attacks, providing users with confidence in the reliability of the DenariiDFi smart contract ecosystem. Quantum-resistant token standards, developing token standards that incorporate quantum-resistant cryptographic techniques, ensuring the security of digital assets represented by tokens on the DenariiDFi blockchain. Developer training on quantum security, providing training programs for smart contract developers, educating them about the principles of quantum-resistant cryptography and best practices for quantum-secure smart contract development. Community awareness on quantum security, launching awareness campaigns within the community to highlight the significance of quantum-resistant smart contracts, fostering a collective understanding of the importance of quantum security in the blockchain space. This extensive guide offers a comprehensive chapter list for developing a training course tailored to the next generation of developers in Web3, IoT, IoV, and QFS technologies within the DenariiDFi ecosystem. Chapter 71, Web3 Development Fundamentals. This chapter delves into the foundational concepts and tools for Web3 development within the DenariiDFi ecosystem. Understanding Web3 architecture, providing a comprehensive overview of the architecture of Web3, including decentralized networks, peer-to-peer communication, and the role of blockchain technology in Web3 applications. Introduction to smart contracts, exploring the fundamentals of smart contracts, their role in decentralized applications, and the programming languages commonly used for smart contract development within DenariiDFi. Decentralized data storage, examining decentralized storage solutions, including IPFS and similar protocols, and their integration into Web3 applications for secure and distributed data storage. Web3 development tools, introducing developers to essential tools, frameworks, and libraries used in Web3 development, including Truffle, Hardhat, and Web3.js, to streamline the development process. Building a simple Web3 application, providing a hands-on tutorial on building a basic Web3 application, showcasing the integration of smart contracts, decentralized storage, and user interfaces. Chapter 72, Internet of Things, IoT, Integration with Blockchain. This chapter focuses on the integration of IoT devices with blockchain technology in the DenariiDFi ecosystem. Overview of IoT technology, providing an introduction to IoT devices, their functionalities, and their role in creating interconnected ecosystems. Challenges and opportunities, discussing the challenges associated with IoT, including security and interoperability, and how blockchain technology addresses these challenges within the DenariiDFi framework. Blockchain-based IoT platforms, exploring existing platforms that facilitate the integration of IoT devices with blockchains, and assessing their suitability for DenariiDFi's decentralized ecosystem. Smart contracts for IoT, detailing the use of smart contracts to automate and secure transactions between IoT devices, ensuring transparency and trust in data exchanges. Case studies of IoT and blockchain integration, showcasing real-world examples where the integration of IoT and blockchain technology has been successfully implemented, providing insights for developers within the DenariiDFi community. Chapter 73, Interoperability in the Internet of Value IOV. This chapter covers the importance of interoperability within the Internet of Value, IOV, and its relevance to DenariiDFi. Understanding IOV concepts, exploring the core concepts of the Internet of Value, emphasizing the seamless transfer of value between different networks and ecosystems. Interoperability protocols, introducing protocols and standards that facilitate interoperability between various blockchains and distributed ledgers, promoting a connected and collaborative IOV. Cross-chain transactions, detailing the mechanics of cross-chain transactions, where digital assets move between different blockchain networks, and their implications for the DenariiDFi ecosystem. Role of bridges and oracles, discussing the role of bridges and oracles in enabling communication between diverse blockchains, fostering interoperability and data exchange. IOV use cases, exploring real-world use cases where IOV and interoperability have played a crucial role in enhancing the functionality and utility of blockchain-based applications. Chapter 74, Quantum Financial System, QFS, Integration. This chapter focuses on integrating DenariiDFi with the Quantum Financial System, QFS. Understanding Quantum Financial System, providing an overview of the quantum financial system, its principles, and its role in reshaping the financial landscape. Integration opportunities, identifying opportunities for integration between DenariiDFi and QFS, exploring synergies that can enhance financial transactions, security, and transparency. Smart contracts for QFS integration, exploring the use of smart contracts to facilitate and automate financial transactions within the QFS, ensuring efficiency and reliability. Security considerations, addressing security considerations specific to QFS integration, including quantum-resistant cryptography and measures to protect financial data. Future developments, discussing potential future developments in the collaboration between DenariiDFi and QFS, including advancements in financial technology and regulatory considerations. This extended guide provides additional chapters for an in-depth training course for the next generation of developers focusing on Web3, IoT, IOV, and QFS technologies within the DenariiDFi ecosystem. Chapter 75, Cybersecurity in Web3 Development. This chapter explores the critical aspect of cybersecurity in the context of Web3 development within DenariiDFi. Web3 security challenges, identifying and understanding the unique security challenges associated with decentralized applications, including smart contract vulnerabilities and consensus algorithm considerations. Best practices for secure smart contracts, offering comprehensive guidance on writing secure smart contracts, emphasizing code audits, testing, and adherence to established best practices to mitigate security risks. Decentralized identity and access management, discussing the importance of decentralized identity solutions and access management protocols to ensure secure user interactions within the DenariiDFi ecosystem. Secure data handling, addressing secure data transmission and storage practices, including encryption and decentralized storage solutions, to safeguard user information and transactional data. Incident response in Web3, outlining strategies for effective incident response in the event of security breaches, including coordination with stakeholders and implementing corrective measures. Chapter 76, Advanced Blockchain Development Techniques. This chapter delves into advanced techniques for blockchain development within the DenariiDFi ecosystem. Advanced smart contract patterns, exploring sophisticated smart contract patterns, including upgradable contracts, proxy patterns, and composability, to enhance the functionality and flexibility of decentralized applications. Governance mechanisms, introducing advanced governance models, such as decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, and discussing their implementation to facilitate decentralized decision-making within the DenariiDFi community. Scalability solutions, addressing scalability challenges in blockchain networks and exploring advanced solutions, such as Layer 2 scaling solutions and sharding, to optimize the performance of DenariiDFi applications. Oracles and real-world data integration, examining the integration of oracles to bring real-world data into smart contracts, expanding the use cases of DenariiDFi applications and ensuring their relevance in dynamic environments. Cross-platform development, discussing strategies for cross-platform development, enabling the deployment of DenariiDFi applications across multiple blockchains and platforms, enhancing accessibility and user reach. Chapter 77, Ethical Considerations in Decentralized Technologies. Inclusivity and accessibility, addressing the need for inclusive design and accessible user interfaces to ensure that DenariiDFi applications cater to a diverse global audience, regardless of geographical or socioeconomic factors. Environmental sustainability, exploring strategies for developing decentralized applications with minimal environmental impact, considering the energy consumption associated with blockchain networks. Community engagement, emphasizing the active involvement of the DenariiDFi community in decision-making processes, fostering a collaborative and inclusive environment that reflects diverse perspectives and values. Regulatory compliance, providing guidance on navigating regulatory frameworks and ensuring compliance with legal requirements, promoting responsible and sustainable development practices within the decentralized technology space. This extended guide further enriches the training course for emerging Web3 developers within the DenariiDFi ecosystem, covering advanced development techniques, cybersecurity, and ethical considerations. Chapter 78, Tokenomics and Economic Models. In this chapter, we explore the intricacies of tokenomics and economic models within the DenariiDFi ecosystem. Tokenomics fundamentals, providing a foundational understanding of tokenomics, covering aspects such as token supply, distribution mechanisms, and the role of tokens within the DenariiDFi platform. Economic models for decentralized applications, discussing various economic models employed by decentralized applications, including staking, yield farming, and governance token incentives, to foster engagement and participation within the DenariiDFi community. Token valuation and metrics, exploring methodologies for evaluating the value of tokens, including key metrics such as market capitalization, trading volume, and on-chain activity, providing insights for investors and stakeholders in the DenariiDFi ecosystem. Liquidity pools and DeFi strategies, delving into liquidity pool mechanisms, decentralized finance, DeFi strategies, and their role in shaping the financial ecosystem within DenariiDFi, facilitating seamless token trading and liquidity provision. Governance token dynamics, analyzing the dynamics of governance tokens, their impact on decision-making processes within the DenariiDFi community, and the evolution of governance structures over time. Chapter 79, Cross-Chain Interoperability. This chapter focuses on achieving cross-chain interoperability within the DenariiDFi ecosystem. Importance of cross-chain interoperability, highlighting the significance of seamless communication and asset transfer between different blockchains, enhancing the overall functionality and user experience within the DenariiDFi network. Cross-chain standards, introducing existing cross-chain standards and protocols, such as Polkadot and Cosmos, and exploring their potential integration to facilitate interoperability between DenariiDFi and other blockchain networks. Atomic swaps and inter-blockchain communication, IBC, explaining atomic swap mechanisms and the inter-blockchain communication protocol, enabling secure and trustless transactions between DenariiDFi and external blockchains. Use cases for cross-chain integration, providing real-world use cases where cross-chain interoperability can unlock new possibilities for decentralized applications within the DenariiDFi ecosystem, expanding the scope of blockchain technology. Challenges and solutions, addressing challenges associated with cross-chain interoperability, including security considerations and consensus mechanisms, and proposing solutions to mitigate potential risks. Chapter 80, NFT ecosystem and digital assets. This chapter explores the vibrant world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and digital assets within DenariiDFi. NFT fundamentals, offering an introduction to NFTs, their unique properties, and their role in representing digital ownership within the DenariiDFi ecosystem. NFT standards and protocols, exploring popular NFT standards like ERC 721, ERC 1155, and discussing how these standards can be implemented to create and trade digital assets on the DenariiDFi platform. NFT marketplaces and user engagement, analyzing the dynamics of NFT marketplaces, user engagement strategies, and the integration of NFTs to enhance user experiences within DenariiDFi applications. Smart contracts for NFTs, providing insights into the development of smart contracts tailored for NFTs, including features like fractional ownership, royalties, and programmable functionalities to empower creators and users. Digital asset monetization, discussing various monetization strategies for digital assets, including tokenization, licensing, and the role of decentralized finance, DeFi, in creating value for NFT holders in the DenariiDFi ecosystem. This comprehensive guide covers advanced topics in Web3, addressing tokenomics, cross-chain interoperability, and the NFT ecosystem within the DenariiDFi platform, providing a robust foundation for the next generation of developers in the decentralized technology space.